Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. Today, I'll walk you through something that's changing how homestay owners manage their listings. Introducing the Host It Yourself plan. If you ever wished for more control, less commission, and smarter tech, this one's for you. This plan is perfect for hosts and owners who love being hands on but still want powerful tools to simplify their work. Whether it's a villa, homestay, or a vacation rental, if you want to manage your listings by yourself, keep 100% of your earnings, and avoid double bookings and manual updates, and still look professional across OTAs, then this plan is built for you. Now, with the Host It Yourself plan, you get a full host dashboard to manage your property, calendar and pricing sync across multiple OTAs like Airbnb, Make My Trip, Agoda, and more, zero commissions on your bookings, advanced feature and tools made just for homestay owners, and access to Homeyhuts support whenever you need it. But the real highlight is the built-in channel manager. The channel manager is what makes this plan truly powerful. You can sync your calendars across every OTA, update pricing and availability from one single dashboard, prevent double bookings automatically. So no more manual edits, no more errors, just one system doing all the heavy lifting. It saves hours every week and gives you the confidence that every listing is always up to date. Beyond the industry-leading channel manager, this plan ensures you have everything you need to run a profitable business. And once you subscribe, setup is quick and simple. Sign up and list your property in minutes, then connect with our support team and get your channel manager linked across all your existing OTA listings. And then you can start managing your rates, availability, and bookings all from one central dashboard. You stay in full control, flexible, independent, and tech powered. Hosting doesn't get simpler than this. Our hosts typically see a 20 to 30% boost in revenue within 3 to 6 months by eliminating double bookings and optimizing pricing. So stop hosting the hard way. The Host It Yourself plan starts from as low as 490 rupees per month for per property listing. If you are ready to transform your business, click the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial and experience hosting without any stress. And as always, happy hosting!